here is where Neptune stops making sense. If you line up every planet in our solar system and ask which one has the fastest winds, the logical answer is Jupiter. Biggest planet, most powerful gravity, closest gas giant to the Sun. But the answer is Neptune. Wind speeds along its equator hit 2,160 kilometers per hour, blowing westward, nearly supersonic. For context, the fastest wind ever recorded on Earth barely touched 400 kilometers per hour. Neptune almost hit 6 times that. And the truly disorienting part? Most of those winds blow in the opposite direction to the planet's own rotation. The atmosphere is moving against itself and doing it faster than any other world we've ever studied. When Voyager 2 arrived in 1989, it photographed a colossal storm system raging across the surface, named the Great Dark Spot. It was comparable in scale to the entire Earth. A second, smaller storm was also captured nearby, and as Voyager watched, that smaller storm visibly shifted in color from dark to light during the approach. When the Hubble Space Telescope was eventually aimed at Neptune a decade later, both storms had vanished completely. Gone. No trace. Unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot, which has persisted for centuries, Neptune's storms appear, rage, and dissolve on their own unpredictable schedule. Massive, bright cloud formations at high altitude do the same, materializing and disappearing without consistent pattern. Neptune's atmosphere is not just active, it is chaotic. Now here's a question that demands an answer. Neptune and Uranus are nearly twins, same size category, same basic composition, same distance range from the Sun. So why does Uranus sit relatively calm while Neptune tears itself apart with hypersonic winds and planet-sized storms? Something beyond solar interaction has to explain the gap, and the answer almost certainly comes from deep underground. Neptune generates its own internal heat and radiates it outward into space. Uranus, by contrast, emits almost none. The leading theory is that a massive impact, an object roughly Earth-sized, struck Uranus billions of years ago and drained it of the primordial heat it had carried since formation. Neptune kept its heat. That retained warmth drives convection, fuels atmospheric instability, and ultimately produces weather that makes every storm on Earth look like a mild breeze. What is Neptune actually built from? Its atmosphere breaks down to roughly 80% hydrogen, 19% helium, with trace amounts of methane. It's that methane that filters out red wave